Okay, this is just to show everything is connected correctly. That's the left side. Now go to the right. It is in. It's connected. It's on. It doesn't come up. Well, anyways, it's hard to do one-handed, but I'm picking up the chair and it's holding on. So anyways, here's what the problem is. The back twist. I'm gonna try to. Here's my wife. Hold this and film me twisting it. This is what we're talking about. It's attached to the chair, but the whole thing just has a lot of wiggle. Thank you.